Hi everyone, it's me, Sky, again, and today I will be making sand. And today we have a guest, which is my cousin,
Amaya, and my name on YouTube is Cupcake Fun. Make sure to go and follow me and subscribe and like all my videos.
Okay, so if you can't tell by the description, today we will be making sand. So we already have our ingredients because what we will need is something to mix with. We're just gonna use a butter knife and
water, of course,
and then we're going to need some
baking soda.
So the first thing you want to do is just do this to get like how should I say? I don't know how to say it. Just do that because it is supposed to break down those, but being that it's too hard, then it doesn't work. So all we have to do is pour the water in. Pour the water in there.
Not too much, not too little.
And you could do how much baking soda you want. More. That's it. You could do how much baking soda you want because it's just going to depend on how much sand you want. And I made this by myself when I was in my house because I'm not even going to lie. I tried to mix
slime.
Yeah, I tried to mix slime. And then it actually made like this sand type. So yeah. So all you have to do is that. Then you're gonna get your other. Whatever you use, and just pour it in. Just gonna mix it, and you could just like do a little review. Hold on, guys. Alright, show them how you do it.
Okay, so it's non-sticky, of course. As you can see, I'm touching it, and nothing is appearing on my hands. That's how it is. It's really is like slime, but it's better.
Yeah. So it's sort of like. And actually, I wasn't trying to make slime. I was trying to make old black. If you guys don't know what that is, just search it up.
Yeah, and it'll be in the description down below.
If we can do it. So this is how it looks. It looks a little bit like too
oily because usually sand is like, you know how it is, how it's like drippy and stuff. How it's like sandish. You know how sand is. The reason we call it sand is because this is how it is like, because
so if it's like how ours is, if it's like really dry, then it's good. That's how it's supposed to be. All you gotta do is add some more baking powder.
A bit more, not too much, not too little, just a little bit. And now I'll make it really hard because I can't even push through it. That's how hard it is.
Move again. Then now we're gonna mix it.
See, it's really hard.
Yeah, it gets really, really hard, like sand, but it doesn't get like too hard. So all you gotta do is mix it up. It might be a little bit hard to mix it up, but it's not too hard, right? So Maya now is just gonna show you guys it. No, it's not over in the camera. Sorry guys. Move your hand. So, and it kind of also looks like snow. Hold on, guys.
Sorry about that.
There was some hair in it. So yeah, so it could be snow or sand, and you can also put color in it.
Oh yeah, and you could also use this for like a prank. Like be like, oh my god, it's like there's a leak in the house. When it's winter, be like, oh my god, it's snowing, and you could just like pour it on top of their heads or something, and then just it's like really
don't
snow.
do it too hard, Maya, because you're gonna make it fall.
No. snowman.
And to make it really, really cold, all you can do is put it in
the refrigerator.
The freezer. Or the freezer or the refrigerator, doesn't matter. But it mostly works for the freezer. So, this is how it looks. Now I'm going to put it into like a big pile. And Maya is going to cut it. Because this is sort of like kinetic sand. She's going to cut it to show you guys how kinetic it is. Once you cut it, with the butter knife, we're going to cut it with. Take the butter knife. So, to prove that you guys that this is like how you make kinetic sand, instead of going to the store, buying a $30 or $25 thing of kinetic sand, you could just go to the supermarket or something and buy baking soda for like $2.49. But yeah. So I'm just gonna put it all like this. So my cousin Amaya,
cupcake fun.
Yeah. And if you guys don't find her video, I'm gonna tell her to comment down in the thing so you guys could go check out her channel. Yeah, because we tried searching it up and it doesn't work. So now, so you guys can see. Now that it's like a little, I don't like it. Now that's like a little.
Okay, so now I'm going to cut it up.
And as you can see, it's not falling at all. That's like kinetic sand. Now, let me see. I'm gonna put it back together. You can put it all back together. It's really fun. It does get like on your hands a little bit. Started. So yeah. So that's how it looks. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys.